Welcome to another exciting and informative episode of the Entrepreneurs Podcast, the place to hear real entrepreneurs and business owners bear it all. I am your host, Randolph Love III, and this episode is no different. We have another entrepreneur and business owner to grace you with his presence. But before we bring him on, I want to remind you that this episode is brought to you by Shield Wolf Strongholds, a wealth growth and protection company when it comes to estate planning, when it comes to business planning, when it comes to retirement planning, life insurance and retirement planning. If your plan ain't Shield Wolf, your plan ain't strong. If you are a business owner that wants you and your employees to retire higher than you would have prior, make sure you visit shieldwolfstrong.com or call or text us at +1 904 822 4262. That's +1 904 822 4262. Now to our guests. We have Matt Meredith, Esquire, CFP, Certified Financial Planner, is the founder of Meridian Law Legal Advisors, the next generation law firm focused on estate planning, tax strategy, and asset protection. With over 15 years of experience, Matt blends legal insight, tax expertise, and investment strategy to create plans that go far beyond traditional cookie-cutter approaches that stop at surface. Before founding Meridian, Matt spent 4 years lending his own practice. And I'm sorry. Sometimes when I read, especially at the end of the day, I start flustering, but I don't want to mess up this man's introduction. Before founding Meridian, Matt spent 4 years leading his own practice, the law office of
Robert M. Meredith.
I don't know, because what it is when you first came on, you said your law practice is the same as your name. So when I see Meridian, I be wanting to say Meredith, and then when I see Meredith, I want to say Meridian, but I'm gonna figure it out. One thing about it, I do. Before founding Meridian, Matt spent 4 years leading his own practice, the law office of Robert M. Meredith, where he guided clients not only in planning their estates, but also in navigating the challenges of probate and trust administration. Having seen firsthand how difficult it could be for families to close estates and for trustees to carry out complex instructions, Matt designs plans with administration in mind, ensuring they work in practice, not just on paper. Earlier in his career, he held leadership roles at JP Morgan Securities and Capital One Investing, and today he also manages client investments through his affiliation with LPL Financial. Through Meridian, Matt delivers a one-stop shop by bringing together legal, tax, and financial disciplines under one roof. Families, entrepreneurs, and professionals no longer need to hire separate attorneys, CPAs, and financial advisors. Instead, Matt integrates law, tax, and investment into a holistic plan that shields assets, reduces taxes, and preserves wealth for the next generation. Even if a host don't know how to read or pronounce it, Matt, welcome to the Entrepreneurs Podcast.
Thank you, Randolph. Good to be here.